Here are some phrases you can use to ask for permission in the classroom.
Excuse me, teacher. May I please go to the toilet?
Yes, of course. Just be quick.
Could I ask a question, please?
Sure, go ahead.
Would it be okay if I left the room for a moment?
That's fine. Just make sure to come back soon.
Can I turn in my homework now?
You may, but remember to hand it in by the end of class.
May I get a drink of water?
Go ahead, but try not to be gone too long.
Is it alright if I work with a partner on this?
Yes, but be sure to return to your seat after.
Would you mind if I used my phone for a quick search?
I'm fine with that. Just make it quick.
Could I have a moment to clarify something?
Absolutely. What would you like to clarify?
Is it okay if I leave early today?
You can leave early, but make sure you've finished your work first.
Can I change my seat for today?
Okay, just make sure it doesn't disturb others.